etufo o chia etene o bra e ka wo hye obebo wuja oh ada me omo ebo mo nsem na etede me. If you surround yourself with people who only can say yes, master, you are bound to doom. You should be able to get people around you who can be able to look you in the eyes and tell you, stop it. Jai! Obia wadema me mjina he me wankrofobi wo me life mo te se Christiana do tete te se kuabo atema me so me ken o si ho mama say in my life that's you know she can say crache. People in my life like Stephen Mensah, like Stanley Mensah, Eastwood Anaba, Sam Crunchy Ankra, who can look you in the eyes and say, Jai Jimino! And you must be able to stop it. There are some people in your life. Yeah. Francis Graham, Wilberforce, they should be able to, you know, and I love it when how they put it, you know, middle. Adia we dear moye. I said you middle we. Ushemenim na kwanya ye kosi. Amani na eba ye na yeso. Yeah. When I mean someone always latogenous and made this way chocolate drink all the time. No. And kaminya ye no ke achichiri domidone. Yeah, I the Jane Ashisha Baho. Now you're keeping it hot. Now you're refreshing home. But open a ye on your heart, open fatty liver, no money, cholesterol, no money idea, sorry. You know. It took a curacia a duania, a mamre 112 and 120 no. Yet mitum contumbre cantose fra and muso na or titidi. Adiana a healthy but then yet. A healthy but then yet. Yet ye drew gukuku monia noa. Now say Canon first and na MRI we say na CT scan we say one more a war across a mumu baby hot mokra ma me ya nya no ultrasound